See, baby, got the sign in my life. Baby, smile. Don't take it light. Feel alright. Feel alright. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Yes. Share this around here. So, hey, being a content creator not easy something now. My dear, me have to set up this and I set up that and I go over yes and I go over that. So, my dear. Morning, YouTube. Morning, morning. Morning, everybody.
I just love the idea of people who didn't get to see the show getting to experience it like they were there. Shot it in 3D.
Market setting up, market ready.
The close-up stuff.
Welcome to New York session.
Coming down.
I'm ready. I know your time right now. Go with that song. Sure. Sure. Morning, guys. Morning. Like a rumble. What did you go?
Baby, blow up my money.
All right.
I want to say one down. That's time to go, baby. My always for me.
Let's time go, baby. Pretty lady.
Let's time go, baby.
What?
My always for me. Let's tango, baby.
Right, right.
Pretty lady. My top
Hey.
easy don't even touch me.
Hey.
Rap out the streets so them young niggas love me. Valentino's cost the same as my pump. We Selfridges, the West Gal love me. Tops from the robbery, shoes from country. So we spent hate the life.
Morning, morning.
Talking about set up with 5 on the strip. But I'm missing myself when she's whining the hips. Today, it's Gucci designing my kicks.
Hey.
It's funny cause double G's the size of her tips. Yeah, I just caught Mercedes all liking my pics. And it's funny cause Mercedes designs all my whips. The sun's out, my guns out, babe, come to the fun house. I need 10,000 to come to the club now. I think that she likes me, she wants to be wifey. Nice and she's spicy, reminds me of Chinese.
Like a rumble.
What? Baby, blow up my money.
Boy.
Want to say one down. Let's tango, baby. Why always for me? Let's tango, baby. Pretty lady. Let's tango, baby. Why always for me? Let's tango, baby. Pretty lady. I could rumble. Getting money up my like a number. Give my youngins food, then they'll like the bump yo. Tit sick right and I like the bumble. Give out my phone, they write the number. Sitting in jail, so I write my younger. Got 3 years, he'll do slightly under. But he can't keep having fights and jumble. In the club, I need to wind in and dance. And them man there dabbing, my diamonds are dancing. I know that his friend being so wide.
No one warm up the market, guys. No one warm up the market.
I was shopping in Uptown, so tell them to come round. I've got so much yak in this yard, they won't run out. I'll run for the bus now, I'm bust out. Babe, I don't want your love, cause I love pounds. I can't remember, but it could body clock down. Make it blow up my own.
What?
All I want is a one down.
Let's tango, baby.
Why you always for me? Let's tango, baby.
Right. Pretty lady.
Let's tango, baby.
Right.
Why always for me?
Oh no.
Let's tango, baby.
Watch out.
Pretty lady.
All right.
I can't remember, but it could body clock down. Baby, blow up my own love. All I want is a one down. Let's tango, baby. Why always for me? Let's tango, baby. Pretty lady. Let's tango, baby. Why always for me?
Right.
Let's tango, baby.
Right.
Pretty lady.
Monday morning. All right, back to business now. Morning, everybody. Morning, morning. So for those who are on my TikTok, I can't show my screen because TikTok keep suspending my page. So now if I come from YouTube, I'm live over YouTube. I can't bother with TikTok and the nonsense. Yeah, son. So I'm over by YouTube. Right. So for everybody that was on the sessions, for Asian session and London session, you guys would have made a nice piece of food from Asia, got Asian session push up last night. London session, not so much. Yes, me did grab a little bit of money here and there. Did anybody secure profit from London session? Morning. Morning, everybody. Welcome in, welcome in. Did anybody get to secure any profit from London session? It was a little bit of up and down, like Charlie Brown. You understand? But you're still gonna secure something here and there. For those who did have a strategy, you could have got back into 1 and 2 local trades. But for the most part of it, ES and NQ, which is MES and MNQ, did push up, come back down, push back up. It's just doing nonsense right now. So we're waiting for ES to set up. I need a nice break and close above this area. I did secure 700. Nice, nice, nice. All right, all right. All right, so we're waiting for a break and close right here as well. For NQ, ES, we need the alert to be up here. All right, so let me see what MGC did. MGC never really do not much, you know. So then I see in place since then. So we're waiting for it to set up back again as well. Morning. MCL pushing down. Did anybody secure profit out of MCL? If you did enter, yeah, MCL is back down here. So we're gonna watch it and see what's going on. Right, so those pieces are not ready yet. So I'm circle around a Vix so we're going to John shop. I did call out back, I believe, one trade this morning, which was 25 1S. Ooh, went up in that profit, come back down to the entry, call out back the buy. It's still active as well. So we are looking to get back into this shortly. Should even miss what I'm going to John shop. So. Right. So you guys can enter 25 1S to the buy. But those are trading Vix. I'm going to run here, so come see what I'm going to job. Hey, but me, I make money running some man, I never remember. Watch, yeah. I was making money around here, so guys, for my MT5, I never remember nothing. What is this around here? All right, so 25 1S for the buy. All right, let me see what else is setting up. That not ready yet. We're waiting for this to set up. What's this? 10 1S. I will need 10 1S to come back up in this box here, so that not ready yet either. All right. It's not ready yet either. I started some live go around here. Hold on. Flowers, no flowers. Right, for those who are trading Vix, guys, get ready to enter 75 1S to the buy. Right, 75 1S for the buy, guys. All right, 75 1S for the buy. Anybody that's not on the session, right? I'm gonna stop broke people bad at daytime. Right? If they're not on the session, then I don't know. So for those who are on my TikTok, you won't be able to see my screen. I can show my screen briefly, but not Jamie, have you come in? Cause say good morning. Hello, people of Jesus and people of God. When you come for me live or for me Zoom, you say morning. All right. We not work like that around here, so guys. We not just there to make money and that's it, so. No, 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 no. Me not work like that, guys. Come work, fix up on a follow ground around here, so. Fix up on a follow ground around here, so. Oh, you said good morning already. Oh, sorry. Ooh. Camera. All right. Too early for them something here. Not well, not early for me. Too much profanity I got along over this, so. Right. So get ready for NQ, guys. We want to know if everybody's still asleep or they gonna work. Because nothing can go so. But might as well me not do no session and make everybody use the strategy. Since nobody now company call. Well, 11 people there and here out of much people from 2 different groups. Me just drop his question in the chat. Where's everyone? Because me not think they expect me, well, for futures, but definitely not drop no trading in no group. So if they're not there on the call, then just miss the session. Yeah, son. Vix, me can kind of, you understand, me can kind of see with the Vix. But for the futures, me not dropping no trade in and no chat. Me sorry about that one, yeah. Yeah, son. Not all of us have the strategy was added on. So I just you for add it on if you have a laptop or a desktop. If you don't have one, use your work one and log into TradingView to add it on. If you understand, or go your neighbor and borrow for them laptop or desktop and add it on. So if everybody that pay for futures should have the strategy if you did send me your TradingView name. Right? For those people who pay for VIX, for the strategy, everybody should have it because make sure everybody how to use it. If you miss the session, then you understand, just say you don't know how to add it on. But yeah, everybody that has the futures have the strategy. Because I don't do the I stop do the thing there. I'm not doing no more single signal for VIX and for VIX and for futures. It's either the 150 or the 163. Right? For futures, I'm not doing if anybody that's in already, that price is locked into you guys. But on the outside, I'm not doing the VIX alone, the VIX signal alone for 63 US anymore. For the futures, I'm not doing the 63 on its own anymore either. Yeah, son? Because when me dey on holiday, I want to enjoy my holiday. For everybody that comes in, suppose they can learn how to use a strategy on their own. Be independent. That's the whole point of me making it. Yeah, son? That's the whole point of me getting it made. So I won't be when me dey on holiday, no session I keep. So everybody have to go start learn how to use the strategy on their own. Remember me, Annalie. Yeah, so everybody have access to the strategy. Everybody. If they don't have access to it, morning, if they don't have access to it, then they have to sort that out, get a laptop or a desktop to add it on. All right, morning, everybody, morning. We're not in any futures pairs yet, they're not ready. Yeah, so when I'm on holiday, if I'm not doing any live sessions, depends on where I'm at. If I'm not doing any live sessions, then what I will do is take a picture of the trading view chart and drop it in the chat. So it depends on where I'm at and how the signal is. But for everybody else, the videos, I dropped them in, upload some of them on my school platform. So I did drop for those who are in the futures, mute this 2 seconds. For those who are in the futures group, I did drop the training that we did for the past 2 days on, I drop it on school, and I did drop the link inside the school for everybody to register for free once you're in the futures group already. So all you have to do is log in, go to classroom, go to Kim Possible Strategy, and rewatch the video over and over and over and over until you know how to use the strategy. Yeah, son? If you want to practice, use the smaller pairs, the micros, and practice using and trading on them. You understand? For those who are on a live account, you can also use it to trade and make your target for the day you finish. All right. So I did do the videos. I did upload a few of them. I think I have a couple more to upload, and then everybody should be good to go. For those persons who do not see it on their chart, right, all you have to do is come right here to indicators, click on invite only, right, and then click on Kim Possible Strategy and Kim Possible Indicator. If it doesn't pop up, refresh your trading view chart and go back in again, right? If it's still not pop up on there, do back the same process until it pop up. You understand? So that's how it works. Same thing for Vix. If you're trading with Vix, right, to add it on your screen, same process. Go to indicators, invite only, click on the both of them and add it onto your chart. All right. Right. For those persons who are in on the inside already, who's in for VIX, and you already paid the $63 US, all you need to do is pay an additional $100 to get access to the strategy. Right? And that's it. Yeah, son. So you pay an additional $100 to get access to it. For people on the outside is $163. For people on the outside for futures is $150. All right. And that's it. It stays on your screen on your trading view for a whole month, right? If, for example, your payment does not go through the first try, the strategy disappears off of your screen. It's subscription based. It's not a one-time thing, right? I'm not doing it one time for a one-time payment because I have to pay for trading view every month. You understand? And I have the premium, I have the highest one, and well, second highest plan on there, right? For me to add the strategy on for persons, me have to have the paid subscription part of it, right? So me can't give it away and sell it for little or nothing. At £200, me used to sell it for on its own. You understand? I may be too kind and drop it down a little bit to $100 US. Yeah, so me kind of short sell myself same way. But anyway, you understand? It's not really about the money too much. But you understand? Me take it from out of pounds and put in a US dollars. Because we know say a lot of persons can afford the pounds business. You understand? So me convert it over to dollars. All right? What else? So I left it at the $100 US for itself. For anybody that's on the outside now, they don't want to join no group and they don't want to come in no group. If they want to purchase it, it's $200 outside without coming inside of the group, none at all. You understand? Yes. So if they don't want to come in the group, where they can get it via discount, then they pay the full price outside. And that's how I say it. You understand? Right. Nice. All right, guys. So you trade them not ready yet. So we're still waiting. Hey, white boss. Morning. All right. So nothing now going on here. So guys, market slow down right here. All right. Another thing now going on here. Thanks to the heart, me. All right, so MCL is setting up. Back again, but we need a nice break and close above here for us to get in. Morning. All right, so let me see what's going on. I'm good, thanks. How are you? But I do one session and then I go up on the road when I finish. All right, so some people say them they are work, okay. All right. So we are going to wait a little bit, guys. Want to play some music in the meantime here. Oh, you just wake, okay. Wake long time. It's now 3:17 p.m. over here. Okay, okay. All right, so they call out that. Can drop this in the group for those people where they are work. All right. When it comes on, Vix is a little bit lenient when it comes on to dropping trades in the chat because you understand, persons can get in at, well, they still have to enter on time. Them can't just enter any. Not yet, you know. Not yet. They can still enter before the market push off. It's not like the futures pairs where you have to be on the session for you to get into the trades there and then. You understand? By the time if you drop it in the chat, you got what it business and you will be entering on a pullback. You understand, for the future. So that's why I'm going to practice to drop trades in there. If I'm in front of the chart now and I'm watching the trade, then yes, we might say, okay, buy NQ now. But then again, some people are going to see it late and guess what? Account will blow up. You understand? So that's why I'm going to bother drop the futures pairs in the chat. I leave it out completely. You understand? So yeah. Right. So we're still waiting. Actually, let me check on the news and see what going on in the John shop because Uncle Trump have one look of style, you know. You understand? Him just get up every day and tweet, like tweet, and away we go. I mean, I see that same thing. She just have savior. Orange Folder News, Iran Foreign Minister RGC will strengthen Russia ties. Here, God Almighty, I cannot bother. Gold treads water near 4,714 AM stalled US-Iran diplomacy and Fed policy. All right, Trump to hold national security meeting on Iran's stalemate with top advisors. CNN citing that maybe it's worded them something. All right, so 29 minutes ago, Orange Folder News, Iran Foreign Minister, we just see that already. All right, what them say, you know, Iran said to open Strait of Hormuz without nuclear deal. All right, so that's why oil go up and down for morning. Now, me say everything is based on the news when it comes around here, so guys. When it comes on to futures, everything is based on the news. You understand? I saw them something at work. All right, so MGC, waiting on this to set up. Within a nice break and it was right there. Right, so hopefully these set up by the time if I come off, because I go up on the road quick and fast. I need to go and get my manicure and pedicure done. Remember, say me I travel. All right. We're going to see Jesus and him disciples up at heaven. All right, let me see what I'm going in a John shop here, so now. So do bear in mind, guys, if it's your first time trading on a Monday, Mondays are normally slow, right? So normally persons trade the New York session and London session. Well, New York session did play out nicely. For a long while, it's the first Asian session ever push up like that, right? You understand? I mean, it push up in occasionally, but yeah, I was surprised because usually after a big event over the weekend, yeah, I'm surprised it push up last night. We're still in Asian session consolidation, which is why the market are consolidate like this. You understand? So we need it out of this era for us to get in. Once we can get it out, then we can look for get into something. But usually on a Monday, market slow. You understand? If me not see anything setting up them time, yeah, me not get into nothing at all. You understand? So me get to work. If I don't see anything setting up, I don't call out any trades. If me see something setting up, if a one pair, we work with a one pair. If a two, we work with two. You understand? Furthermore, for futures, we're only aiming for either one or two pairs. And that's it, and we're done for the day. When you're in a profit, you make sure you secure profit as you're going along, right? Everybody should remember what I said last week. Depending on your account size, if you're in a loss of too much, it's better you close out, save what you built up on, right? And then you can always talk about the market for the next session. Yeah, so no force and get back into the market. Even if you have the strategy, you have to wait until everything line up first before you enter. These pairs that we're calling out, we're mainly looking for buys because they're in an uptrend. Most of them right now is on an all-time high. The ES and the NQ, right, which is slash for MES and MNQ, they're at an all-time high, so you're not looking for no sell, right? So you have to wait until the market set up for your buy on the lower time frame, whether you're using the 1 minute or the 5 minute time frame. All right, and that's it. So I am not looking for no sell, none at all around here. So no sell, no sell, no sell. So we're only looking for buys. All right. So get ready for MCL, guys. We're looking for a buy. We just need a nice break and close right here for us to enter. All right, so we are waiting for that to set up.
Yeah, cool to an hour. We're not breathing on the water. So you cool to an hour. Yeah, me that talking. You me that them got barking. You me that talking. You me that them got barking. You me that talking. You me that them got barking. You me that talking. You me that them got barking.
Hello, it's me again.
Tell a friend to tell a friend.
Right. ES is setting up, guys. Get ready. I don't run away.
Back him up like we done. You're a smooth and trees on. We still really give him 3-5. Yes, son. Put your one hand to them. Yes, son. You make your job look like yes, son. You don't want no one like yes, son. Yeah, Google, I wanna like yes, son. Them boy, they know my face, son. Yeah, yeah, know this, son. Them my white teeth and pepper man for what I'm gonna do. We done talking. Give me that same gun marking you. Give me that talking. Give me that them God fucking you.
25 when it's gone to Jesus. Yeah. Give me that. Watch ya. Boom down session. I gotta run some there. Boom down session. I go and run ya. So look at this. Nice. Call out the buy this up. 125 when it's gone to Jesus. Nice. All right. 75 when it's gone as well. Nice. Give me that talking. Give me that them done barking. Give me that talking. Yeah, me dance them done
Talking you. You me done talking. You me dance them done talking you. You me done talking. You me dance them done talking you.
Yeah, me dance talking, yeah.
You me dance them done talking you.
Yeah.
You me done talking. You me dance them done talking you. You me done talking.
Yeah, me dance them done talking, yeah.
You me done talking. You me dance them done talking you.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah.
Dynamics. Like in the US, I'm poor. Is it big?
Quand j'étais très belle.
Yo, eat that. Yo, mom, yo. Yo, mommy. Yo, honey stone. You know what I was thinking of? You know, here's the thing thatเราว่าอันดับที่เราไปสู้เทียนกับปีแรกไปสู้แบบเก็บมาแต่กู้เรียนเพราะเสียภายเขียนเราสู้แบบเป็นแบบกู้เทียน
Right. So let me do a little bit of teaching while I sit down here. So for those, this goes for persons who are trading VIX and futures or forex or crypto, whichever one you're trading. So you see like how the trade call out a buy right here, so and it's close to the resistance box, which is your ceiling. You want to get into the trade right here for the buy. I'm on a 1 minute time frame. You would wait for a brand new candle to break and close this box. You understand? For those who have the strategy, you're going to wait for the break and close to happen above the red box first before you enter the trade. You understand? Yes. So this is on MCL. So that's on futures. For VIX, let's say, for example, let's use this. It's one trade I set up. Nice, nice, nice. Right. So we are above a red box. So this red box is no longer a resistance. It's now a support box because the price is above. Right? So you see right here, it's been consolidating, right? How would you know to enter? You have everything lined up green. If you don't watch or listen, and we make money. Everything lined up green right here. Right? You have everything lined up green. All right. Let me get the horizontal line. So you see right here, so the buy pop up right here, so. You understand? If you want to wait a little bit until you understand it push up some more, you can. If you want to wait for the new candle to come out, then you can do so. Now, in my case, I would wait for this candle to close first before I get into step index for the buy. Right? Remember to trade step index, you have to have a little bit more money in your account. I think you have to have, I think the lowest lot size is 0.01, if I'm not mistaken. So just be mindful if you're going to be trading this pair. Right now, everybody can trade it. 0.10 is the lowest. If you have a slightly bigger account, you can go one lot, you can go any amount lot you want once you have a big account. All right, I like step 100 because when it does move, it moves smooth. You understand? But not everybody can trade it because they don't have enough capital. So when it comes down to 101S, step 100, 91S, be mindful of the lot size on your account. 25 1S and 51S, be mindful that these pairs are very extra volatile. So stick to the lowest lot size, which is 0.005, if you know you don't have enough money in your account for under any pullback that's happening in there. When they do move, you do make money. So just be mindful of this. All right. So I'm just putting it out there for everybody. Right, you can get into step 100 for the buy, guys. Step 100 for the buy for those who are trading VIX. All right, all right. All right, so step 100 for the buy, and that's you right there. Now, let's say you wanted to get into this trade, a little bit earlier. I'm going to get into that in a little bit. Right? Futures run so the alerts them on. So I mean, if you watch it trade them like my idiot. Right? Let me drop this in the VIX group. All right. So, hold on a second. I'm still going to look for our next trade just in case some of you guys can't trade step 100. I'm going to look for your next substitute trade. Right. Let's say you wanted to get into this trade a little bit earlier. On your 1 minute time frame, this is what you're going to be looking for. So from over here, right, you have your resistance. Yes, it's bouncing between the support and the resistance box right here, boxes. So you call out a buy right here, then you call out a sell somewhere, then you call out the next buy. Then right down here, so we have the green arrow pop up. All right. We had a green arrow pop up right here. This is indicating to us that buyers are coming back into the market. So you see how they change color? It goes from green to yellow. Yellow means to wait. Then it goes back to red. Then it comes back to green. Right? Right here, so it calls out the green arrow pop up, warning us that buyers are coming back into the market. We need to get our body ready for get in for the buy. Right? So how do you know when to enter early? This is an early entry, guys. What you're going to do, you're going to wait for the candles to push up, right? In this case, I would wait for a break and close right here. Because what? The red box is there already. Because you don't want to get in too soon and the market could literally bounce off of the red box and come back down. Yes, so you're going to wait for the break and close. Where is my break and close? My break and close candle is this one right here, right? Whether it be a alpha candle, you understand, a doji, a reversal candle, whatever candle, as long as you get the break and close above, that would have been your entry from this green arrow, right? Any other arrow, you're not looking at it. So as long as you have the break and close above the red box, you have the two EMAs green, the trend line and the EMA is green, and you have green volume down here, then you can enter, you could have entered this trade on step 100 for morning, right? So you could have entered and all you had to do was go back onto your 15 minutes time frame. Look at this, the alert just call it out for the buy. We in there already, alert, we in there already. Mighty, right? So you could have entered a little bit earlier, yes, son, from right here on this candle. Right, from this candle right here, you're gonna enter. Right? So we're back on the 15-minute time frame. All you have to do was just be patient and wait for it to play out. Right? Because it's been consolidating all night, right? We get a break and close, it consolidate back again. Now it's ready to run off. You understand? That's it. Now, if anybody was in this from when we call it out day before yesterday, you wouldn't have to come out of the trade, none at all. Right? Or even if you did want to get out, right, you have to wait until the trend line, which is right here, turn red. So you see, you can have been at this trade for 3 whole days. From when we call it out from Saturday, Sunday, and today, Monday. So you wouldn't come out of this trade until today, this morning at 3 a.m. when it called out for the sell. It was not selling. That's why I'm saying you have to be careful. It was not selling because it's, you understand, you don't want to look a tiny uptrend. You understand? So you have to be careful when you're getting into these trades. It have to set up properly if you're looking to get in for any sell. Now, this case, it did not sell, go nowhere. It's only selling that with 2 little candle. You understand? I'm not a scalper, so I not look for scalp this. I look for get back, wait, sit down and wait for it to set up back for the buy. And that's it. You understand? That's how you use it. Nice and easy. Right, so I got a John Chaperone now. Right. ES, still not ready, doing beer nonsense running so. Right, what time? May I give it until 4:15? Watch out. Kuya, watch. Kuya, somebody come to decide to go on so. You look like you didn't hear me. Oh, you didn't hear me. Okay. We are idiot. No, we are at the button. No, man, we are at the button run here so. We almost at the button. Yeah, here we are, you run, so I never want to move. Okay, nice. Work your body up there, so. Because I walk up in case I catch a near shop, them close 6 o'clock. Work your body quick and fast. Kim, what a guan. You're supposed to say good morning first. I don't really work with what a guan, you know. What a guan of your male friends them out the road. Good morning. Morning, AJ. All right, guys. So we're getting ready. Then all of that was for nothing. True. We'll so come back to you, because you're not ready yet for the video lights. Nonsense. Right. NQ, we still need a break and close above here. If they do not set up by time before come off, guys, then I will drop them in the chat off of my phone. I have to go get my nails them done today, yeah. Today here. Not a day later. Yeah, if we not see anything set up, then you understand, we wait patiently for them to set up. MGC not going with nothing wrong here, so in a John shop. MCL still a play about. It's Monday, so you understand? We not knock it out today. Mondays are normally slow. Well, New York sessions are normally slow on Monday. Right, so we have this setting up right here. You see, you saw the box print out the consolidation. Look at that. So anybody that's trading would I know say do not get into this, none at all. Anybody that's trading would I know say the market are consolidate is moving sideways. Yo, I'm shocked. No, I have nothing wrong here now. Do not address me as yo. You say hi Kim or good morning Kim. Look here. I will cuss upon this, you know. Today is Monday. No cussing on a Monday. All right. No cussing on a Monday. Morning. Nothing much. I'm here trading as usual. We're here trading as usual. Hold on, let me see if I can put the phone right here. Oops. You know, I go learn how to trade, I make some money. Yeah, come trade, I make some money. Hold on, guys. Let me put the phone up here, so. Hold on. Yeah, I want to start. Okay. Phone out like a fire to Jesus. Oh, yeah. Hold on, let me plug it in. But that's the whole point of you joining the class for me to help you. That's the whole point of you. I'm joining for me help you around here, so. All right, NQ now. Go on, nothing. Right, everybody's supposed to be in a profit on 75 1S. Nice. Right, 25 1S doing nice push up. And it's still active. Step index, right, in profit. I see nothing else I set up around here, so. We'll wait for 51 is to set up this, so 91 is to be a nonsense. 10 is come back down there, so right. So right, we're still waiting on everything else to set up. One hundred one is almost ready. Look at this nice piece of move. So this was at 8:43 a.m. this morning. That's when me did go from walk and come back. Right. So we miss out on a piece of buy here. One nice piece of push that, you know. So we could have still been in this trade if we see it from this morning. And then wait for the continuation or enter a second position from right here. So look at that. Nice, nice, nice. See? When I have to sit down and wait for nobody to tell me when to enter no trade again. When I just come on the chart and just press buy or sell when it set up. Nice, nice, nice. I'm telling you. For the say if I make 1,400, I get a 250 pay for my first build. Okay, nice. That's nice. That's nice. So how much are you up on the account now? You know, you reach back to them to feed them 2,000. So yeah. So if for those who did have the strategy, right, you could have entered 101s this morning for the buy. Look at that. See there? You wouldn't come out of the trade none at all because the trend line is still green. You see that? And how you re-enter back again, as soon as you get a new break and close above the red box right here, so you enter back the trade. I say the best thing since I say big up the rave. I want to kiss their foot. If they not have no foot, me make a foot for them. Me make a foot for them for true. Why? I cannot. Me say if they not have no foot, me will make foot for them for kiss. Children don't know what go on around here, so. Me can't get out and about now. I'm have to walk up and on my laptop and just go up on my phone for my trading view and just see one pair set up. You understand? And just go up on my phone and for my MT5 and press buy any Vix pair. You understand? Or any futures pair. Everything the 1,004. Or you never have a last guard. You never have a last limit of 2,000. Was it 1,400? Right. Let's now call out the sell watcher. Then this we could have take it for the selling now watcher people. Mid there, one big old treasure was sell good on here, so. My word. Look at that. And you know come out of the trade as long as the line is red right. So watch out. And the trend line this, you know? Me say, my God, me tell us the strategy bad like a yours. Eh? You now come out of the trade none at all. Because the trend line is still red. I did tell them say greatness is coming out, but they never believe me. Whoa to Jesus. All right, guys, get ready for ES. We want to come out of the consolidation. Yeah, me did tell them say greatness will come, but they never believe me for true, you know. They think say I'll be a cap me come by, so go cap me there. So I leave them alone and make them go and talk and just sit down and make everything play out for themselves. Nice, nice, nice. One queen on the app. Who this I know with their fake page? Live off the charts or you trade as well. Best Jamaican female trader. I don't know about that. Me trade for comfort. Me not trade for no best. Forget no tiger run over there. You know, see, every minute the people them bring me down. Well, them try. Try them try. Not them. They not bring me down. Them try. Who say me can't trade? And who say me can't this? And who say me can't that? Right now, them have to come with something better than this strategy. Yeah. Yeah. Them would have to come. Yeah, and come here, guys, because someone will new part here, so you know. Apart from having the buy and the sell on the screen for the VIX pairs, guess what? The alerts them ready. The alerts them ready. Yeah. Yeah, so I tell you when for buy step index, buy 75 1S, buy 75, buy 10 1S, buy 15, when I instead of 15 1S on it. Me I could add on some more on it. Buy 51S, everything is on here. Yeah, son, so I did them the extra dead. Yeah, son, extra. Read all about it. Yeah, man. Them not see nothing yet. Them not say nothing yet at all. This is just the iceberg. Pania so. Then here walk along now. You see when dairy free up, they broke up on trading view. Hey, I done it done for. When I have to use no more trading view. No have to use no more MT5. When you just connect the broker up on this, like how we do futures, we connect the broker up on this, and literally just press buy or sell on this. Just like how we can press buy on this or sell. Yes, and you see when you place the trade pan the derivative chart, pan trading view, hey, my sister, oh, I done it done for. So that means say you can trade on the same platform where you have the strategy. My God. Then I done it done for you, sir. Hey, I know me say I know the people that chat me. I know the people that go chat me around here. You go hear things. But you better believe it as kind of my bad. Yeah, man. Cause you see, for the remaining that year, me and nobody on TikTok, nor Instagram, nor YouTube, nor argue. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Anybody want to talk, I give them the floor. We spread out the red carpet for them talk. Oh, you know, sister Derek do the best thing. Me say the best news me ever hear. Me say, the best news this since sliced bread. Yeah, man. Right now, I'm not busy when nobody want to talk, say. The best news this. Best surprise. This are my Christmas gift, birthday gift, every gift in a one. Yeah. Vix Japan Global Training View with Kim Possible Strategy. Hallelujah, praise Jesus. Ooh, I cannot. All right, guys. You know, look like the future spears you have to set up right now in the people. Right, may I give it a couple more minutes. Couple more minutes as we walk along the John shop. We need to break and close out of these areas. Good morning. How much for one-on-one chart markup? I stopped teaching one-to-one, darling. I'm going on holiday soon, so I don't do one-to-one when I'm going on holiday. You'll have to check me back after I come from holiday or when I have a spare time on my holiday. Yeah, then you have to let me know. Then I'll let you know. And when I go for holiday time. Now, if you want to make it, if you want to make your life easier, get the Kim Possible strategy for VIX or for futures. Tells you when to buy or when to sell, and it also comes with the alerts. Yeah, son. Furthermore, I can start weeding out of the chart markup. Yeah. Cause this year, me not gonna really have no time, you know. Cause by the time I travel go there, so, and travel go there, so, me I go to Thailand and Bali soon. Yeah, son, me have other places to go, Aruba, and yeah, plane I take like taxi this year. Yeah, me not, I no time for sitting there, yeah, me take one whole year off from traveling. Actually, no, no, one whole year. Yeah, one whole year I took off from traveling. Yeah, son, for sit down and zone in and make some money. And yeah, son, time to eat the plane like a taxi now. How much are the strategy? If it's for VIX, 163. If it's for futures, 150. So it works with VIX and for forex/futures. So yeah, and I time for sit down in the yard, guys. That's why I want everybody to go learn for trade. So when you learn for trade, you can start take plane like a taxi too. You understand? Even if you don't want to take plane like taxi, if you're there in Jamaica, there's plenty things in Jamaica for do. You know, make the tourists them come to Jamaica go enjoy themselves better than who live down there. Because guess what? It requires money. If you don't have money in life, you don't have nothing. You understand? Them say money can't buy happiness, but money pays bills. Money make you travel. Money make you go from A to B. Now, if you don't have the money, oh, you could take a taxi. If you don't have the money, all your bills pay. Yeah, son? If you don't have money, or you buy food for your kids them, if you have any. That makes sense? If you don't have money, or your ear do, or you go a barber. So yes, money is very essential at this present moment. So yes, money do make you happy. Yeah, son, it depends how you use it and what you use it and do. Because some people get money and use it, squander it. Some people get money and put it to good use, invest it and make it flipping in the market. You understand? You have to have money for putting in your broker. If you don't have money for putting in your broker, you can't trade with water. You can't drink water for go to your bed. But I mean, if people are fasting, but you are going to quicker fast. Because your body are going to need food, it need substance for work with. So when me hear people say, oh, money is not all that. Money is all that to me. No, if you work a 9 to 5 job, you're working for money. Right? Right now, I am working for money. But me now work in a sense where me I go stress out myself for work for money. Me in my house, I work for money. I can come on the chart, go make money any time of day, any time of night, with Vix or with futures. So there's a difference. You understand? So when I hear people say, oh, then she act like she's all that because she make money. Anybody can make money. Yeah, son. So it's not because me I make money why me is all that. It's because, yeah, so me have a little bit of knowledge and the knowledge me I share with other people. Yeah, son, and that's how it go. Right, guys, get ready for MCL. The rest of the pairs them not set up. So even if I one pair set up, we work with it for now. Remember, I said today on Monday. All right. All right, guys. MCL for the buy. Anytime you see this, I push up, you know, it's something I got run between Iran and Trump. Me not ask Christ. Anytime you see it start move, you know it's something I go on around here. So, all right, MCL for the buy, guys. $9 minutes ago, here we are. US Fed likely to hold the rate steady as Powell prepares for possible swan song. Let me read this. Swan song. Yeah. 46 minutes ago. How Kevin Walsh could reshape the Fed area. Right, everybody in MCL, guys, everybody in. That's the only thing that's setting up right now. Everything else is consolidating. For me to call out these for yourself, them have to set up properly for me to get in. Me not get in none of those right now. Because they will do beer nonsense, yes, so. Beer nonsense. Like all of them is in between those boxes. The only one we see so far that's not in between the box is NQ. But we still need a break and close below here. You call out, if you notice right here, so you call out for the sell, you still have to wait until it's set up properly, which means that we need it out of this era completely for me to get in for a sell. If not, you leave it alone. So I won't even bother get into that one. Right. So we're going to leave it with MCL for now, guys. When we come back on for later on session, when I come back in off of the road, if I see anything setting up or if I dip on the road and I see anything setting up, I will drop it in the futures group. All right. For those who are trading VIX, what we say, we're still in 75 when I said the buy. All right. We need it for come out of this consolidation for about Sunday. For Saturday night to sit down at the same place. We're still in 25 1S. And we're still in, we're still in step 100 for the buy. All right, let me see what else is setting up around here. So, which one is MCL? It's on the futures market, not for VIX. That's not for VIX. 51S. So you see like this now. So 51S, it push up in a profit, come back down, right? Rejected off of this area. So you see like how it's coming back down to the green box. The only way for me to get into this for a sell, unless me have a break and close below this green box right here. If I don't get a strong break and close, I'm not getting in. Bear in mind, we're in an uptrend on the higher time frame. So I ain't looking for no sell. Aye. Remember, the trick is to go to the day candle and see what's going on. You see right here, the trend line is still green. right? Zoom out this. The volume still green, all right? The day candle did push up in a profit, did push up right as in a green. It's still currently green, right? But it push up, reject off of this area, come back down. Now, the only way me don't get into this for sell, like I said, if the EMA is red or the trend line is red. For this present moment, we're still looking for a buy on 51S. Yes, so I'm not busy where want to run so. I am not a scalper, so I'm not look for getting via scalp, right? For those persons who scalp and you want the strategy, if you wanted to get in for a quick sell, see it here, it's set up right here, so. See it, that's all? It did set up right here. Can get into MES. Is MES ready? Have you checked the strategy to see if it's ready? All right, so as you can see right here, call out a sell. Right before you get in to this trade, right, you have to make sure say everything line up red. You need the word sell to pop up. You need the EMA and the trend line to be red. You need a solid red candle to be underneath the lines, and you need red volume. So for those people who scalp, we're not gonna get into this for one quick little scalp right there, so. But it's only for a short-term sell. Then once it ready back again, see it break below this previous structure right here, so previous support, it come down here, so come create one new support. You see that? I open and see it. Now this case now, for me to get back into this trade for a buy, right, it's warning me and telling me that, okay, get ready. There's a support right here, right? You're going to see the green arrow pop up anytime soon. So the green arrow, I got to take out the red arrow. You understand? So once it start push up a little bit more, then we can get in. But we need everything to be green, like money. So we need this EMA line to be green, right? Once the green arrow pop up, right, we need green volume. Our volume in the baseline, our volume in all, boom. So the green arrow there, aye. So the green arrow pop up. So now we still have to wait until everything else line up green. We're going to leave it so you can see what going in the John shop. Right, so we're going to go along with so. No, it's not ready yet. ES not ready yet. And NQ not ready yet. Still consolidating. Right, I'm on a 1 minute time frame. So we are saying if we can get into a, you understand, to a few trades. If it's set up, we want to set up first. So I still need it out of this area. Because we are trade futures, we want it out of this area completely. If I drop down to my 15 seconds time frame, this is how it looks down here. We not trade this none at all. All of this are bare nonsense. You're not getting into this none at all. If you don't care, sit down and wait, we're not going to blow on our account. So that those not already none at all around this so. None at all. All right. So we see what's going on around here. All right. We have a little bit of retracement back down. Everything is still red. Right. We're going to jump off now, guys. Right. So everybody's supposed to still be in a profit around here. All right. We need this to come out of this treacherous area right there. So. All right. 4 o'clock now. All right. So I will see everybody later on. MCL is still there sitting at the entry, a little bit above the entry. So you guys can keep an eye on that. But all of the other peers them for futures, they're not ready. And if you enter the trade them on a blown account, you no can blame me. Oh, come it say you not ready yet. It is not ready yet, people. None of them runners are not ready. Leave it alone. We still have 4 more days left in the market for trade. Yeah, son, but then none of these are ready. Beer nonsense I'm along with. Beer absolutely nonsense. The only thing that's moving right now are this one, MCL. That's the only thing that's moving. How much you risk on one trade. It depends on what I'm trading. Where you ask a question about VIX or futures. For futures, we're using a prop firm, so we can risk any amount depending on the account size. So that's a universal question. For VIX, that trade you're on now. You're coming, Costa. Good morning. You ask question. All right, guys. I'll see everybody later on for when we come back in, guys. If we see anything set up, then we can get in. All right, when we do the nail shop, then I'll check. I'll let you guys know. I can share my screen when we come and Zoom on TikTok. I'll see if we see anything setting up there when we're outside. All right, guys. See you little later on.